Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all a haul and a little makeup get ready with me. So hope y'all like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned.
So at Ulta I got this eyeshadow palette. I don't know the name on the top of my head, but I'll list all the items below. Some sponges by ELF, this NYX Cosmetics glitter palette, and I really like it. This is my first time trying it. Some ColourPop lipstick, lip glosses, and matte lips. So yeah, this is the lipstick, and this is the lip matte, and I will list the color below. This is the lip gloss I got by them, by ColourPop, and this is also the Revlon lipstick too, and I like it because of the top. Also, this is the liquid highlighter by Revlon. Also, I said also 2 times. What the hell? But the fuck are you doing here? Really? Starting, I'm gonna do my brows with the Beverly Hills Anastasia, and I said that backwards. Starting with this eyebrow. I can't tell if it's right or left because it's different being in the video and me looking at it from this view. But I'm just gonna speed right through this. Next, I'm going to be going through this Tarte's concealer, and I'm going to conceal any imperfections and line up my brows real nice and clean them up basically. Then I'm going to be blending this out with a Morphe brush. I don't know specifically the number, but just blend away. Then I'm going to finish it off with this Benefits. I don't really know the name of it. I'll list it below for y'all. And this is the final result of that. So then I'm going to go with this Cover FX primer. And this primer is really good. I really recommend it. I love it. Don't judge me for whatever I'm saying in this video right now, but I put that on my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin, and I rub it all throughout my face, and also my neck. You gotta get the neck, girl. You can't forget it. You feel me? But yeah, just cover that forehead too. Then what I also do is I put some tape sometimes on the edge of my eye, lining it up where my eyebrow ends, so I can get that angle and then blend it out at the end. Going in with this palette, I will list the name below. I don't really know it on the top of my head, and it's really hard to fucking open. Don't know why they put this tape right here, but well, we know why, to prevent people from touching it. But yeah, this is my first time using this palette. It looks really good. I really like it. My eyes looking like, what the fuck? This look amazing. Hell, I sound country. What the hell? But I'm gonna go in with that, with a dark, with a purple color that I just pointed to. That this shit didn't give me enough time to show y'all, but I will list it below if I find out the color. But anyways, I'm using this palette, so whatever. What I'm going to be doing is taking a Morphe brush. Don't know the number, I don't know any of the numbers, so I just use a Morphe brush and that's it. And blend that out along my crease and just really blend. Then blend the other side. Keep blending. Fuck this bitch, don't give me more water. I'm thirsty, y'all. Shit. Then I'm going to be going in with that pink color and I'm going to put it on top of the purple and I'm going to blend this out together. So just do that. Why are my lips so small? Ugh. Excuse my chin, y'all. I'm sorry. I got a butt chin. Not even a butt chin, but I'm going to go in next with that dark blue color that y'all just seen, that I just showed y'all. You feel me? Or whatever. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corner and blend it out. What the fuck am I doing? And do it to the other side also, and just blend it out. Well, y'all get the picture. It's basically blend. Next, I'm going to be trying to cut my crease, and don't judge my cut crease because I am still working on it and I don't even have the right brushes to even do the best I can do. So just keep it cool, please. But I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and just blend this. I was about to cuss again. I need to stop cussing. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX glitter, this pinkish, purplish, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Do that off camera, and then afterwards I'm gonna be using this Tarte's mascara, and it really pops your lashes. I highly recommend it. And this is the look before blending, and this is the look after blending. So now I'm going to go in with this Clinque, whatever the fuck the name is. And I'm going to put this all over my face, and now I'm going in with the Tarte's concealer, putting it under my eyes and the edge of my nose, and blending it all out with this big ass sponge. And I'm gonna go over it with a brush just to conceal everything. And the fucking phone fell. What the fuck? So now I'm baking in Cover FX powder, and I'm putting that under my eyes and under my chin. Contouring with NYX contour palette, and I'm using this brush that I don't know the name of. Morphe brush and just blend everything out down to your neck, chin, face, cheeks, and everything. Ooh, what the fuck? And now I'm going with this liquid highlight from Revlon. I will list the color below, but I put that on my cheek, my nose, my cupid thing, whatever lip, and my other side of cheek. And then I'm simply going to blend that out with my finger, just like this. Okay, and next I'm just going to wipe my lip, the foundation that's there with a Q-tip, and I'm going to be using this Revlon lipstick, the glittery one, and I'm gonna list the color below. And this shit just fell. Okay, whatever. And finally, finishing off with NYX setting spray. And this is the final look. I hope y'all like this video.